Hi, in our previous video, I introduced us to a topic known as indices. Now, indices are numbers with powers. The analysis and simplification of these indices is based on the basic interpretation and laws of indices. What are these basic interpretations? We have about 4 of these basic interpretations, and one of them is number with 0 power, numbers. The second one is number with negative power. The third one is number with fractional power, and the fourth one is number with negative fractional powers. Now, the next is the laws of indices. Laws of indices, I have divided them into 4. The first law of indices is the product of number with the same base. Here, I will explain that further. The second law of indices is division of numbers with the same base. Also, would explain that further. The third one is number with double power. The fourth one is number with powers and brackets.